On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Verdant.
Lush and green, often used to describe plant life, denoting youthfulness or inexperience.
Examples:
Verdant fields, verdant trees. The verdant meadow was a peaceful spot for a picnic.
Swamp.
An area of low-lying land that is flooded or saturated with water, often having a growth of natural vegetation.
Examples:
Muddy swamp, swamp tour. The lowland swamp was full of dangerous animals and poisonous plants.
Alligator.
A large semi-aquatic reptile with a long tail, powerful jaws, and rough skin, native to the Americas and China.
Examples:
Alligator habitat, alligator watch strap. Alligator skin is used to make purses, boots, and other luxury goods.
Hurtle.
To move quickly and forcefully, especially in an uncontrolled or dangerous way.
Examples:
Hurtle into a tunnel, hurtle through life. The car hurtled down the highway at breakneck speed.
Apex.
The highest point or tip of something.
Examples:
Apex predator, apex position. The company reached the apex of success in the market.
Predator.
An animal whose natural behavior is to prey on others.
Examples:
Apex predator, sexual predators. The native South American animals were in danger because of the predator's arrival.
Devour.
To eat or consume something eagerly or ravenously, or to destroy something rapidly.
Examples:
Devour a meal, devour my way. She devoured the mystery novel in one sitting.
Invade.
To enter aggressively into another's territory by military force for conquest and occupation.
Examples:
Invade other tissues. Invade his privacy. I have no intention to invade your privacy.
Subtropic.
Describing a region or climate that is between tropical and temperate and often characterized by warm temperatures and moderate rainfall.
Examples:
Subtropic vegetation, subtropic region. The subtropic climate made for hot and humid weather all year round.
Ecotone.
A transition zone between two distinct ecosystems or biomes, characterized by a mixture of features and species from both areas. An area of high biodiversity due to the diversity of habitats and species found there.
Examples:
Ecotone boundary, diverse ecotone. The ecotone between the mountain and the valley provides a transitional habitat for various animal species.
Mangrove.
A tropical coastal tree or shrub that grows in saline soil and has prop roots that help to stabilize it.
Examples:
Mangrove forest, mangrove swamp. The mangrove trees are known for their ability to survive in saltwater and sandy soil.
Migrant.
A traveler who moves from one region or country to another, especially to find work or better living conditions, a bird or an animal that moves from one place to another.
Examples:
Migrant worker, the movement of migrant birds. The government revoked his license to employ migrant labor crews.
Colonize.
To establish a colony in or on a specific place, to settle or occupy in large numbers.
Examples:
Colonize planets. Colonize for cultivation. European powers colonized much of the Americas in the 16th and 17th centuries.
Boar.
A wild pig, especially a male with tusks.
Examples:
Wild boar, boar's head. The hunter tracked the boar through the forest for a good shot.
Uproot.
To remove or pull out by the roots, especially a plant or tree. To displace or remove someone or something from a particular place or position.
Examples:
Uproot the tree. Uproot tradition. We decided to uproot our lives and move to a new city.
Parasite.
An organism that lives on or in another organism and benefits by deriving nutrients at the other's expense.
Examples:
Blood-sucking parasite. Parasite disease. Tapeworms are parasites that live in the intestines of humans and animals.
Panther.
A large and powerful wildcat with a distinctive sleek black coat found primarily in the Americas, Africa, and Asia.
Examples:
Black panther. Panther habitat. The panther's sleek black coat and piercing yellow eyes make for a striking vision in the forest.
Industrious.
Hardworking, diligent, and persistent in effort.
Examples:
Industrious worker. Industrious student. He was known to be very industrious and would often work late into the night.
Explode.
To burst or break open violently and noisily, to cause something to burst or break open.
Examples:
Explode in anger. Explode in popularity. The old building exploded in a fiery inferno.
Hyacinth.
Also jacinth, a fragrant flowering plant with clustered flowers that grow on a tall, spiky stem, typically in shades of blue, purple, or pink.
Examples:
Hyacinth flower, blue hyacinth. The beautiful purple hyacinth flowers bloomed every spring in the garden.
Clog.
To obstruct or block up a passage, pipe, or system with an accumulation of thick or sticky matter, to impede or hinder the progress or movement of something.
Examples:
Clog a filter, clog artery. The drain was clogged with hair and needed to be cleaned out.
Anole.
A type of small, arboreal lizard native to the Americas, known for its ability to change color and its distinctive triangular head shape.
Examples:
Tropical anole, anole habitat. I spotted a small anole lizard hiding in the bushes.
Lizard.
A reptile that has a relatively long body, 2 pairs of legs, and a tapering tail.
Examples:
Giant lizard, lizard leather. The lizard's tail regenerates if severed.
Onslaught.
A fierce or violent attack, a sudden and intense outburst of something, usually negative.
Examples:
Onslaught of criticism, urban onslaught. The village was unprepared for the sudden onslaught of the enemy army.
Farmland.
Land used for farming or agricultural purposes.
Examples:
Farmland acreage, fertile farmland. The government is encouraging farmers to expand their farmland to increase food production.
Supple.
Flexible and easy to bend or move, gracefully agile, adaptable or responsive to change or new ideas.
Examples:
Supple muscles, supple leather. The ballerina's supple movements left the audience mesmerized.
Wreak.
To cause or bring about something, often as a result of harmful or destructive actions or events.
Examples:
Wreak a lot of changes. Wreak further damage. The virus has wreaked havoc on the healthcare system, overwhelming hospitals and causing shortages of supplies.
Havoc.
Widespread destruction or devastation, often caused by natural disasters, war, or other violent events.
Examples:
Cause havoc. Play havoc in the mind. The storm wreaked havoc on the town, causing widespread damage and power outages.
Conservationist.
A person who advocates or acts to protect and preserve the environment and wildlife.
Examples:
Wildlife conservationist. Dedicated conservationist. The extinction of this species has been a significant concern for conservationists.
Fearsome.
Causing fear or terror, frightening, alarming, or formidable.
Examples:
Fearsome creature. Fearsome reputation. The dragon's fearsome roar echoed through the valley.
Snout.
The nose and mouth of an animal, especially when protruding or prominently featured.
Examples:
Dig with the snout. Short snouts. The pig's snout was wet and covered in mud.
Claw.
A curved, pointed appendage found on the foot or leg of an animal, used for gripping or grasping. A human hand with long, narrow fingers that are curved like a claw. A machine or tool with a claw-like opening used for gripping or lifting objects.
Examples:
Claw marks. Claw hammer. The bear used its claw to catch a fish in the river.
Indentation.
A cut, gap, or mark on the surface of something, the space left between the margin and the start of an indented line.
Examples:
A broad indentation of the gulf. Automatic indentation. Archaeologists found a slight indentation in the middle of the lower jawbone on a bone excavated from that historic site.
Scaly.
Covered or characterized by scales, which are small, hard, overlapping plates on the skin or surface of an animal or object, having a texture or appearance similar to scales.
Examples:
Scaly texture. Scaly reptile. The reptile's scaly skin helped protect it from predators.
Steward.
A person responsible for the management and care of another's property or for the supervision of the domestic staff of a large household or organization. A person in charge of arranging for the supply of food to a college, club, etc.
Examples:
Steward duties. Steward service. The steward on the flight was very helpful in assisting passengers with their needs.
Brew.
To make beer or tea by mixing a substance with hot water.
Examples:
Brew a cup of tea. Brew beer. I am going to brew some coffee this morning.
Parakeet.
Any one of many small to medium-sized species of parrot, usually with a long tail.
Examples:
Extinct parakeet. African parakeet. We had named our pet parakeets.
Iguana.
A large tropical lizard with a ridge of spines down its back and a long tail, native to the Americas.
Examples:
Green iguana. Spiny-tailed iguana. The nature documentary showcased the mating rituals of the blue iguana species native to the Cayman Islands.
Piranha.
A small freshwater fish that inhabits South American rivers that has sharp teeth and eats light animals.
Examples:
Swarm of piranha. Go piranha fishing. He thought she was a man-hungry piranha.
Florid.
Decorated with elaborate designs or ornamentation, overly ornate or showy.
Examples:
Florid music. Florid style. The florid language of the poet was often difficult to understand.
Mammal.
Any animal of which the female gives birth to live young, not eggs, and feeds her young on milk from her own body.
Examples:
A primitive mammal. A sort of mammal. Marine mammal populations are declining worldwide due to ocean pollution.
Decimate.
To destroy a significant portion of something or reduce by 10%, to cause extensive destruction or severe damage, to drastically reduce in size or number.
Examples:
Decimate population. Decimate economy. The hurricane decimated the small town, leaving behind destruction and devastation.
Reptile.
A cold-blooded animal that has dry, scaly skin and lays eggs on land, such as snakes, lizards, and turtles.
Examples:
Reptile exhibition. Fossil reptile. Alligators are a type of reptile that live in swamps and rivers.
Fauna.
The animal life of a particular region, habitat, or geological period.
Examples:
The tropical fauna. Fauna reserve. The national park is home to a diverse fauna of animal species.
Reclaim.
To take back something previously lost, given, or paid, or ask to have it back.
Examples:
Reclaim a competitive position. Reclaim land from the sea. You may be entitled to reclaim some tax.